What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 1,000. We getting there slowly but surely. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. Purple SB box, man. I've been getting a lot of SBs lately, man. My local skate shop Select been doing a lot of first come, first serve. That don't stay too far, man, so I've been getting pretty lucky. But the unfortunate thing is, man, once again, got the same situation. Not my size, man. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, Racer Blue, and Laser Blue. These joints have been popping up a lot at a lot of skate shops lately, man. Most of the other pack released last year, the cherries, the pineapples, and the green apples. This is the blueberry joints, man. Let's get right into these joints. Nothing special about the packaging. Same box, same regular SB paper. But these are clean, man. Definitely my second favorite out the pack behind the green apple joints. But let's get into it, man. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Blue Raspberry, man. These joints are clean, bro. They clean, straight up. All blue shoe, a couple of different colors and different materials, but a blue shoe all over, man. And like I said earlier, man, most of the pack released last year, but these joints have been popping up at skate shops recently. And I looked up on these on yesterday, and go ahead and try to shoot this video for y'all, get it posted up later on tonight. But here we have the blue raspberry joints, man. Getting into the shoe, it's suede all the way around on the toe box and on the heel layers right here. The toe box is a nice light blue tumble leather on that heel panel. A suede blue swoosh on there, slightly darker than the mid panel. More of like a royal blue right here. Well, technically racer blue right here on the front toe and on the back. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, on that heel tab, it has the racer blue with the light blue Nike stitched in. Light blue tumble leather on the back as well. White on that midsole and a racer blue outsole, man. These joints are clean, bro. They did really well with the quality on these, man. The whole pack had really nice quality. Some really nice suede, man. There's no real back and forth motion on the suede like that, but it's really like a low suede. Has racer blue laces in there. The light blue on the tongue, light blue tongue tag with the racer blue Nike SB stitched in. Light blue insole with the kind of racer blue Nike SB in there, man. You can't really see it because it's like a lot of blue on blue. Light blue on the inside ankle collar, man. These joints are clean, bro. Really nice quality, some nice leather, and some really dope materials on here, man. I knew that my skate shop would be releasing them soon, man. I just didn't know when. They do a lot of like random drops, so there's no like release calendar set for them. They'll just do a random drop on their Instagram, man, and it's first come, first serve. So a lot of people are racing through traffic, man, getting through the city. I stay roughly about 15 minutes away, man, so I'm definitely running all the red lights downtown. Looking left and right, just trying to get there. When I got there's about 5 people in front of me, and the size 10 was the biggest size they had left. For some reason in the city, man, I'm not sure if it's the resellers or the big feet guys stay closer to the shop, but everyone takes that 13 on down. There's hardly ever any 11s. The biggest I've got recently was a 10.5 in that black gum pair. But you just got to get there, man. Get what you can. I try to make something shake to grab your size if you're trying to get something bigger or something like that. But usually those sizes 9 and down, if you're in that 20-minute range, you should be pretty good in regards of getting your size, man. But for the big feet guys, man, if you're not there in the first 10 minutes or so, man, you're pretty much going to be out of luck 9 times out of 10. Now, like I said earlier, man, these are the blue raspberries, man. On the inside of this tongue tag, as you can see, they do have the blue raspberry hit, man. This is kind of like a, I guess people have been calling these like weed packs, I guess, man. This is the same kind of shoe as like the strawberry cough, man. They've been doing stuff like that with the Nike SBs, man. They have like, this guy has like the low eyes on this one. And on the inside of this tongue, man, the raspberry has like wide eyes on here, like he's wired up. But super clean details, man. I like the logos that they added on here, man. Just some super duper nice touches. As far as extras, they did come with an extra set of laces. I personally would probably throw white laces in here just to offset all of the blue on the shoe and just to make that white midsole pop out a little more. But like I said, they did come with an extra set of light blue laces to match the other light blue hits on the shoe. But they're super solid, man. I like these joints a lot. Not as much as the green apple pair. I would go green apple, then the blue, and then the cherry pair. But all of the pairs are super clean, man. They're super clean for sure. Now the suede on that swoosh is like a slightly different color, man. Kind of a nappier suede as compared to the suede on the toe cap. But definitely still nice materials all the way around. Pretty good stitching. No crazy like glue marks or anything like that as far as quality control. Nike SB has been doing really good lately, man. They've probably been the most consistent with dropping really nice colorways and really nice materials and really good quality controls on their shoes compared to the regular dunks that they're throwing out every week with crazy colors. The quality control isn't really always there, man. But with the SBs, man, they haven't really been missing, man. They haven't really been missing. Now, like I said, these are a size 10, man, and ideally I would want to trade these at SneakerCon this weekend and try to get that 11.5 or 12. But one of my homies hit me as soon as he seen I had a size 10. He wanted them, bro. So these joints are already sold. He's gonna come pick them up later today. They're gonna be out the door. So I just wanted to get a quick review up for you guys, man, right before they went to their permanent home, bro. Now getting back into the details of the shoe, man, they do have that pure white midsole, that racer blue outsole with the light blue Nike SB foam exposed, man. These joints are clean, man. That blue really pops on these joints. You don't really have to do too much, man. Just throw on some simple colors, man, that let the shoe do the talking. Just jeans, t-shirt, man, really kind of like some accent colors, bro. But this is a very loud shoe, very vibrant, bro. But it is super clean, man. Super nice quality, man. I'm definitely gonna be looking for these at SneakerCon, but my size is going for like around 300. Ideally, not trying to spend that this weekend, but you never know, man. If I can come across a good pair for a good price, or maybe someone wants to trade something that I have on the table, I may come home with these, man. But my main pickups for SneakerCon, like I said in the other video, is gonna be that black gum pair, the gray gum, and a pair of Zion 1 lows, bro. So we'll see how that goes for sure. But definitely happy to pick these joints up, bro. Had to get them. Couldn't pass these joints up at all, bro. This is one of the most sought after SBs as of recently. Really, that whole pack is like pretty much like the hottest SBs in the last like 6 months, in my opinion, man. They're super vibrant. That green pair is super duper crazy for sure. But it is what it is, man. I may grab them, I may not, but I got a review for you guys, man. Leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Are you looking to cop them? Did your local skate shop already release these joints, or are you still waiting, man? If I had to give any advice to you, man, I'd say stay tuned to your skate shop's Instagrams and whatever their usual release method is, because these are coming if they haven't released locally for you already. I've been seeing them a lot out of state before I saw them release here, and I know I seen Magnolia release them joints in Dallas maybe like a week ago, maybe a week and a half. And maybe the last shop to get them in Texas would probably be No Comply in Austin. So if they release them this weekend while I'm down in San Antonio for SneakerCon, I'm definitely gonna try to find a way to finagle and get out there and make that happen, bro. But these joints are clean, man. I can't deny it, bro. I can't deny it. This is probably my favorite pair out of all of the SBs that I've been doing lately. And I've had quite a few SBs on the channel recently, but this one is probably my favorite out of like these last 6 or 7 pairs that I've had, hands down, man. Not even close. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, they were 110 bucks retail, 120 with tax in Texas. Resale is about 225 to 250 in most sizes, with that 11 and a 12 going to the 300 range. But everything else is right around that 250 mark. So still affordable, man. SBs being so cheap, and probably like 100 plus on the resale side, man. So they're still definitely affordable. But I understand that people not wanting to pay resale on a $100 shoe. But I mean, you gotta play the game, man. Sometimes you can't hit retail on everything, but with these still being in that affordable price range, man, still under the retail price of a lot of Jordan releases and a lot of these collabs that have been releasing lately. So definitely still affordable. If this is your style, if blue is your color, if Nike SBs are your thing, these are definitely still in that pull the trigger range for me, man. $250. If I find me a good pair, bro, these definitely will be coming home this weekend. And I'll keep you guys posted, man. Y'all follow my Instagram. I post a lot of my personal pickups there as well. Most I do reviews on, some I don't. But with me doing a review on this one, I won't do a review of me having my actual size, bro. So y'all tune into my Instagram, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow me at FLYEERRKicks. And you know, man, I do a lot of posting on there as well, man. So y'all tap in there. Now, touching up on the details one last time, man. It does have that light blue nylon tongue material, man. Same pretty much standard SB tongue material. Some nice tumble leather on that mid panel and toe box, man. Really solid material, some really decent suede, man. Not any crazy back and forth motion on the suede on the royal blue part, but on this light blue tongue, man, it has some nice little texture on there, man. So it's more soft suede on the tongue as compared to the back and the toe cap of the shoe. But like I said, man, these joints are clean, man. If this is your style, bro, definitely pull the trigger on these, bro. This is one of the best SBs as of late, man. I'm not sure why the shipment has kind of been delayed. I've been seeing pairs of these since last year, but they just started popping up at local skate shops, like I said earlier, man. Stay tuned to your local skate shop, man. Try to grab them for retail, man. Getting these joints for $120 is a straight dub, bro. If I had them in my size, I definitely would keep these joints, man. As a collector, man, getting a fire shoe for 120 bucks, man, it just makes it so hard for me to let it go if it was my size, man. So I am kind of happy that these are my size, man. I'm not really attached to them because I know I can't do anything with them. But they are fire, man. Straight up, these are fire. But I want to hear you guys' opinion on these, and I want to hear you guys' opinion on the whole pack, man. If you have to rank them in order, man, what would be your favorite, man? Out of the blue raspberry, the green apple, the cherry, and the pineapple, man, how would you rank them? What's your order, man? Leave a comment down below. And let's see, man. I just want to see how everybody's feeling about these. Green is my favorite, but green is also my favorite color as a whole. But let me know you guys' favorite out of the pack. Which one would you rather pay resale for? Which one would you keep? Which one would you let go, man? Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints for sure. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review. Give you guys a good look at these joints, man. These blue raspberries. Let me know your honest opinion down below, man. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. And that just about wraps it up for this one, man. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low in the blue raspberry colorway. Leave a comment down below, man. Let me hear you guys' opinion on these. Until next time on the next video, peace.